how to add or remove music panel to Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on Edge panel. After click on Edge panel, make sure turn on Edge panel and click on panels. If you want to add or remove music panel, if you want to add music panel to Edge panel, click on music. You will see music panel is add on Edge panel. After the process, go back. If you want to remove music panel to Edge panel, click on panels and click on this icon. You will see music panel is removed on Edge panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove music panel to Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.